So I just used my meat grinder to grind up 14.5 pounds of meat, which was super easy to do, but now I need to clean my equipment. Before you start taking it apart, you'll definitely want to unplug the grinder and then just start taking everything apart one piece at a time. To take this piece off, you just press the button at the top and spin it to the right and it comes right out. I'm going to take all this to the sink, but I'll also be wiping down this whole piece and paying extra attention to the power button back here, as I use that along with the reverse all throughout the meat grinding process. It's important to note that you do not want to stick these pieces in the dishwasher. You will need to wash these by hand. I'm just taking a warm, wet cloth with disinfectant to wipe down the grinder, and then a dry cloth to wipe up any wet residue. I just washed all of these with warm soapy water and now I'm setting them out to dry. I highly recommend washing your equipment right away as it makes the cleaning process so easy.